Hi guys, welcome back. Today we'll be talking on how to download song from Audiomack. In order for you to download song from Audiomack, all you need to do is to have the Audiomack in your phone. If you are using an Android phone, you can download from the Google Play Store. If you are using an iPhone, you can download from the Apple Store. If you have the Audiomack in your phone now, all you need to do is to click on it for it to open. You can see our Audiomack is loading. It's loading. It's open now. If you want to download a song from Audiomack, all you need to do, you can search for the song. For example, let's search for any of Rihanna's song. Rihanna. These are all list of Rihanna. Let's go to songs. If you want to download any of the song here, you click on it. For example, let's download Walk by Rihanna. The song is currently playing. Download Walk by Rihanna. It has finished downloading. You now have Work by Rihanna in your phone. You've now downloaded it. So for you to see all your downloads, you can go to your library. Here's my library. Here now I can go to offline. In offline I'll see all my downloaded songs. You can see it here, Work. Here all the songs I've downloaded. I can play any of these songs even without an internet connection. Even when I don't have data on my phone, I can play any of these songs freely. For example, Work. Play the Work from here. Play any of these songs. So guys, that's it for today on how to download songs on Audiomack. It will be nice seeing you next time in our YouTube channel. Please do find to subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below. Thank you and God bless.